Yeah. So,
Absolutely.
can you explain to people what a newswire is? You said the
Right.
PR Newswire was charging $1,000 for this. Well, what did you get out of that? What is a newswire?
Right. So a newswire is a service that sends content to journalists electronically. There's two types of newswires. There's the ones that everything they write is original to them. Reuters, Associated Press, UPI, United Press International, those type of places. You may have seen them in your newspaper, Reuters or
AP
UPI or
is that
something.
AP for that too?
Exactly. Yep. And so what they're doing is they're writing the articles with their staff, and then they're licensing it to newspapers. So the Baltimore Sun may not need, may have minimal staff. They might have people who work on local breaking news. But if a major story breaks US wide, they might find it more cost effective rather than keeping staff on call to do that, to just license it from those newswires. On the flip side, there's a similar newswire service, but instead of articles, it's press releases, and it's a little bit different in that you're not licensing it to the news outlets, and what you're hoping to that they do is they turn it into an article. It's very rare that someone takes the press release and copies it verbatim and puts it somewhere. It's generally some synthesis that happens where they turn it into an article or a story or a mention somewhere as a result of the press release. And so in the US, there used to be five, but now we're really down to three newswires of press releases. PR Newswire being the oldest and largest, the other one being Business Wire, and then Globe Newswire.
We get solicited all the time via email for here. We'll put your press. It's free. We'll put your press release in 10 million worthless places, but
Right.
they leave out the word worthless. What are some of the perils of or wastes of time to do with these free